Hi everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, we will see how to find the given number is a prime number or not. So first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of a prime number. Prime number is nothing but if any number that is dividing with 1 and with itself is known as a prime number. For example, if I take number 8, so the number 8 will be dividing with 1, which means 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 8 ones are 8. So this can't become a prime number. The meaning of prime number is nothing but, for example, if I take 7, 1 sevens are 7 and 7 ones are 7. So the number which will be multiplied with 1 and which will be multiplied with itself is known as a prime number. So how to write a Python logic for it? So what we will do is, we'll take number. Suppose I will take number 7. I will take number 7. So from the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whatever the number that you are taking from the value 1 till that particular number, I will find the divisibles. So 1 is dividing with 7 or not. 2 is dividing or not. 3 is having or not. 4, 5, 6, 7. So each number I will check. So for example, 1 is divisible with 7. So I will count. So I will take a count and like a counter, and I will add 1. Count 1 because 1 is value 1 is multiplying. It is perfectly divisible with 7. So we can say count 1 because 1 is there. Next, 2 is not possible, 3 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 5 is not possible, 6 is not possible, 7 is possible, which means 7 ones are 7. 7 is also one of the multiply. So now count becomes 2. So now count becomes 2. So if the count becomes 2, then we can say it is a prime number, which means with itself and with value 1. With itself and with value 1. So whenever the count becomes 2, then we can say it is a prime number. Same logic I am going to apply using Python. For example, I am going to take the input. I am going to take the input 7. So I will write the mathematics also here. I am taking number 7. Next, I am going to iterate 7 times using for loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7. From first till the 7, I want to iterate. Then what I will do? For I in range of from the value 1 to a plus 1, which means 7 plus 1 is nothing but 8. A plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 1 to 8 means nothing but 1 to 7. 1 to 7. So first of all, I value will pick 1. I value will pick 1. So I value is picking 1. What I am doing, if that particular number, whatever the number 7, if it is multiplied, if it is divisible, not multiplied, if it is divisible by value 1, and if you are getting the remainder 0 properly, then what I will do? I will add the count. I will add the count. So count plus 1. So let's take the count. Let's take it 0. So see here, very simple logic. For I in range of 1 to 8, which means from 1 to 7 it will travel, because Python follows n minus 1 logic. I is 1. 7 percentile by 1 double equal to 0. In the first iteration, I value is 1. So here focus on this condition. If A, which means 7 percentile by 1, I means 1, no, double equal to 0. So 1, 7, 1 7 is 7, remainder 0. So mod function will take the remainder. 0 double equal to 0. Condition true. Condition true. So condition true means what I am doing? Condition true means I will go inside the if condition. Inside the if condition, I am incrementing one value. Count is 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. I am updating the count. Count becomes 1. Count becomes 1. Next, in the next iteration, I value will be 2. So 2 will not satisfy the condition, 3 will not satisfy, 4, 5, 6 won't not satisfy. The seventh iteration, whenever I value is 7, whenever I value is 7, 7 percentile by 7 double equal to 0. Condition true, going inside. So condition true, going inside. So after going inside, what you will be doing? Count already 1 is there. Whenever I value 1, count becomes 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Count becomes 2. See, a given number is multiplying with 1 and with itself. Count becomes 2. Count becomes 2. Here I will write the logic. After completing the for loop, after completing all the 7 iterations, I will write the logic here. If whatever the count, if it is double equal to 2, then the given number, whatever the number that you are taking, is a prime number, or else it is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. Simple logic. So if I run it, see, 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. If you take 11, because 11 will be divisible with 1 and with 11 only. So 7 is also a prime number. But if you take 8, 8 is not a prime number. If you want to know the logic with the 8 also, I will be explaining you. So you need to be very focused on the for loop. So how the for loop works, you can check the video link in the description and go there and learn for loop properly. So let's say for I in range of 1 comma, what you're writing, 1 comma 8 plus 1, which means 1 to 9. 1 to 9 means 1 to 8. So the number you are taking 8, and the for loop you are traveling from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so first I value will be picking up 1 in the first iteration. I value will pick up 1. Okay, so first it is picking 1. Okay, going inside the for loop, what you are doing, a percentile by I, which means 8 percentile by what is I is 1, double equal to 0. Condition true, this condition will satisfy. So I am going inside what I am doing, count plus 1. Count is 0, 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. I am updating the count becomes 1. Okay, next the loop iterates. First iteration completed, the loop iterates. In the second iteration, I value will be 2. Again same story, go inside, 8 percentile by 2 double equal to 0. This also condition true. So I will go inside, count means what? Count is already 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Count becomes 2. In the next iteration, I value will be 3. 3 won't satisfy this condition. 4 will satisfy. If the 4 is satisfying the condition, see, 8 percentile by 4 double equal, condition satisfied. Going inside what I am doing, count is already 2. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. See, count becomes 3. And whenever 8 also satisfying the condition, next what happens, 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So after completing this for loop, your count value will be 4. If count is what? 4. 4 double equal to 2. Do the condition satisfy? Condition is not satisfied. So it goes to the else block. In the else block, it is not a prime number. So any number that is divisible by only 1 and with itself, you will be getting only 2. 2 means what? 1 and itself means only 2 operations. So that's why 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, and 8 is not a prime number. Just we are going to auto increment the value. So this is how you can find out whether the number is a prime number or not. Okay, you can find this coding file in the GitHub repo, which is mentioned in the descriptions. Thank you.